Hey, what's up traders? In this video we will look how to create a trading plan with the FX Hunter Wealth trading tool. So I think that most of us are doing the things when we are looking for the trades. We simply going through all the pairs which we have in our watch list, right? And you going through it and you trying to remember what you wanted to do here, or you can create your notes somewhere on the some other paper, but I think it's always the best to have it all in the platform, and you need to be able to receive the notification when the trades happened, and you need to just pick up your trades which are interesting for you. So I will show you right now how to create the trading plan and have it stored, and quickly go through it, adjust it, and work with it really quickly. So for example, it doesn't matter right now. We will not care about how is the trade right or not. So for example, we will just pick up and plan a couple trades. So for example, this is cut franc, and we will want to go buy in here. So I will simply click the buy, and I will just plan my trade, let's say like this, right? So then I go to other pairs. I go to Euro CAD, and for example, I will wanna trade a break of the continuation. So I will simply plan trade like this. Let's say with this target, right? Next one is just any pairs, and might you right now already see what is I'm doing right now. I have a sell here, or for example, if I want to trade here like that, I can plan my trade in this one like this. So what I will do is, for example, I want to be execute. Let me hide the colors. So I want to be executed in here once the price reach the top of this, and I want to have take profit in here. So this would be my trading plan for the Aussie CAD, and next one would be the CAD. Let's say, for example, I want to trade some retracement here. So let's plan the sell limit here. The Fibo I can hide right now, or I can leave it in here. Next one could be any pair of this. For example, I want to trade a retracement in here as well, not with so big targets, because otherwise, anyway. So right now I just went through the couple pairs which I want to trade. We can look as well for the euro, for example, to go a short here against the people, right? So for example, I want to go short in here, and the other pairs currently doesn't offer me in this situation some let's say some possibilities. So in the past, as we've been using the MT4 and we had this plan, so what we had to do is we had to open like a 4 charts or the 6 charts of the all trades we have planned. Currently on the any pair I have the drawing, they are stored in here as my plan. So look at it, I have the shortcuts for this cut franc. So I simply click the cut franc, and I remember I wanted to trade here. So what I can do right now, I can of course go through all of these trades, right? And right now, how to stick into this plan and how to do it right now. Please don't these colors, of course, it's just the colors like this entry, but this is how it works. Like the lines will be taking the entries and the take profits. So currently, for example, I have created this plan, and I want to be notified if the trades will reach my entries, and then I will want to decide if I will take them or not, or I want them straight away to be executed and receive the notification in my phone when this happens. So I will show you how to do it right now. So this is my plans in here. Of course, the other pairs, then I can add them as many as I want to. and simply they will be appearing in here as the shortcuts for the pairs which I have under my watch. So right now, let's say this is this pound yen, and I want just receive the notification to my phone that the price has come back into the entry. So I will simply click to the number 1, and it will send me the notification, which you will set up in the options. And here in the notification, you need to enable notifications and put the number which you have in your phone, Android or iPhone. You will set the number in here, and it will send you basically the message that the price is on the entry. If you want to activate this trade, you simply click to the face, and this will change the color to the pink one, and now the trade will be activated with the risk reward which you have set in here. In the other videos there is a set how to set up the risk reward, or you can do it with the number 8, right? And this is what you can do for all your trades. So basically, simply like that, you create your trading plan. You can activate, deactivate your trades. You can edit them, adjust them, and always you have them as your shortcuts in here. And you're using just the one chart. You don't need to have opened like a 6 charts, you know, because then the MT4 is a little bit slowing down. Now you have everything under this one. So this is I think very good, because right now all the trades will be traded with the 1% risk per trade. But what if we want to have some other trades, and we want to risk different? So we need to open a new chart. So right now we have this template with the 1% risk, and we can have this another one. And for example, we can pick up the template with the 0.5% risk. Of course, I must add my email here. Then you of course can save your template with the email, so you don't have to always fill up the email. Of course, here you must be your email, not mine, because this one is active just for now. And okay, close. And right now in here, F7, we can set up our risk per trade. I can allow the trading. We can set up our risk per trade. And for example, in here we have the select the option number 1, so percentage. And for example, we will be risking for this trade 0.1. And here we can set, let's say, I don't know, FX killer strategy. And on this template, we will be doing for trading, for example, different strategy. And we have it here, FX killer strategy 0.5% risk. And this first one, my first trade, 1% risk. All right. Of course, you can edit this here as well. So this one, for example, could be FX Hunter strategy or whatever, right? And 1%. Then in here I can of course create let's say, you know, let's say I wanna go sell here, I wanna go whatever, for example, sell here as well, and etc. So I can activate the trade, of course. And so right now I actually have 2 templates. You can see it. This one, the trades will be traded with the 0.5%. On this one, 1%, right? So you can do all these things which are very cool, of course. So I think this is really amazing to stick into your plan and to keep you actually following the plan, because I see our trade is actually executed right now on this cell. So it has set the stop loss and the target as we did on this one. And of course, what can then happen is as we have these settings and we set the risk reward for the moving stop loss, our trade will move the stop loss as we need, and it will close the partial positions as we set in here. Alright, I think this is very good to follow the trading plan, because you can have many trading plans, you can receive the notifications, and you can have these shortcuts, as you can see, for the one strategy, for the second strategy, and for as many strategy you want to. Alright, so now I think this is very good. Bye bye.